How to change your age on TikTok. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your age on TikTok if you've entered the wrong birth date. So let's get started. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't allow you to edit your birth date manually in the app. However, there's still a way to update it by contacting TikTok support. First, open the TikTok app and simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom. From there, tap the three lines in the top right to open settings. Scroll down until you find an option that says report a problem under support and about. Now tap on account and profile in the topics. After that, simply tap on editing profile. From there, simply go to other. Just scroll down and simply select need more help. And here you'll be sent to TikTok help text. You'll need to simply type in a message. Type in hello TikTok support. I accidentally set the wrong birth date on my account. My actual birth date is write your actual birth date, and after that, can you please update it? I can provide identification if needed. Thank you. You can simply attach a photo of your ID and submit the request and wait for TikTok's response. TikTok usually replies within 24 to 72 hours. If TikTok doesn't approve your request, the only way to change your age is by creating a new account with the correct birth date. And that's it. Now you know how to change your age on TikTok.